Wegobuy is a popular agent service for purchasing products from Chinese websites like Taobao, Weidian, and Yupoo. Here's a brief guide on how to use it. Account creation. Visit the Wegobuy website and sign up for an account. You will need a valid email address to register. Product search. Browse Chinese e-commerce websites to find the products you want to purchase. Copy the product links. Submit an order. In your Wegobuy account, use the Submit an Order feature. Paste the product links into the provided space and fill in details like size, color, and quantity. Review and add to cart. Wegobuy will retrieve the product information, including images and prices. Review your selection and add them to your shopping cart. Payment. Proceed to the checkout and make payment. Wegobuy offers various payment methods, including credit cards and PayPal. Service fees. Wegobuy charges service fees for purchasing, inspecting, and consolidating your items. Be sure to review the fee structure on their website. Shipping. Once your items arrive at the Wegobuy warehouse, you can select shipping options. They offer various carriers like DHL, EMS, and more. Parcel consolidation. If you've bought multiple items from different sellers, Wegobuy can consolidate them into one parcel to save on shipping costs. Tracking. Wegobuy provides tracking information for your shipment. You can monitor your package's progress as it makes its way to your address. Receiving and feedback. When your package arrives, inspect the contents. If everything is as expected, confirm receipt. You can also leave feedback for the sellers. Customer service. If you encounter any issues or have questions, Wegobuy has customer service that can assist you. Additional services. Wegobuy offers various services including product inspection, removal of tags, and more. You can select these options when submitting your order.